Hello. They have a few components in wind turbines. Blades lift and rotates when wind is blown over them, it causing the rotor to spin. Most turbines have either 2 or 3 blades. Now, take a look inside the turbine. In turbine, they have a brakes. The brakes will stop the rotor mechanically and electrically when have emergencies. At the back, we have a controller. High wind speed can destroy the turbine. Controller will control the machine about 8 to 16 miles per hour and shut off the machine at about 55 miles per hour. Gearbox. Connect the low speed shaft to the high speed shaft and increase the rotational speed from about 30 to 60 rotations per minute to about 1000 to 2000 rotations per minute. This rotation speed required by most generators to produce electricity. Generator produce 60 cycle AC electricity. It is usually an off-the-shelf induction generator. They have 2 shafts in wind turbine. High-speed shaft drive the generator. Meanwhile, low-speed shaft turn the low-speed shaft at about 30 to 60 revolutions per minute. The gearbox connection between both shafts will increase the RPM of the low-speed shaft to the high-speed shaft.
Hello, NASA. The brake controller, gearbox, generator, and shaft are enclosed in a huge casing called the nacelle. Pitch. It is used to control the rotor, speed, and the turning of the blade. Rotor. The blade and the hub to which the blade are connected together form the rotor. Tower. The speed of wind increases with height, which enables taller tower to capture more energy. Yaw drive. It helps to adjust the turbine with respect to direction of the wind if the wind changes. Wind vane. It calculates the direction of the wind and adjusts the turbine with the direction of the wind.
The air will spin the blade. This is the design to fully capture the energy. They can be long as 60 meters, made by the light material for easy movement. This is why they can produce movement even in very light winds, starting from the 11 km per hour to the very strong wind, about 19 km per hour, and the turbine will stop spinning for safety reasons. The wing is attached to the wind turbine through the hub, which is connected to the low-speed shaft. The low-speed shaft is named because it's named as the blade between 7 to 12 revolutions per minute RPM. To produce the electricity, we need to increase the speed of the turbine and the emissions of the gearbox, which will increase the speed over 100 times and transfer it to the highest speed shaft. The highest speed shaft can consume 1500 RPM is connected to the generator. The generator is converted the kinetic energy into electricity, a source of energy that is easier to transport and use. The electricity is produced in generator will conducted to the area at the base. At the base, a transformer will transfer the voltage to the substation through the underground cable. At the substation, the voltage will increase again to the grid and transfer it to the consumer. Thank you.